Hello everyone, my name is Robbie Wong, and our group's topic is about cheating across culture. In our group, we talk about two different questions. First one, what are the differences in cheating between China and America? The second one is how to avoid plagiarism. First, let's talk about cheating in China. In China, cheating typically means not taking the exam on one's own. This behavior is seen as the sign of dishonesty. There are some typical cheating methods with Chinese characteristics. For example, taking part in exams in lieu of others' identities, carrying copies with notes of knowledge during closed book exams, copying others' work during exam. Next, let's talk about the results of cheating. Xinlang Education 2017 in How Are Chinese Students Punished for Cheating stated that provisional cheating will be given serious warning or records. The score of the test will be cancelled. Premeditated cheating will lead to probation. If a student clings to the mistake instead of correcting it, he or she will receive no degree certificate. Next, let's move on to cheating in America. According to ESL Program's OSU 2015, the video OSU Code of Student Conduct addressed the United States is serious about honesty problems. Students should follow the Code of Student Conduct, which provides information about cheating in exams and punishment. Now let's talk about the cheating methods in USA and China. Similar to China, it is wrong to give or receive information during exams. This is also true for getting unauthorized help in lab work, classwork, field work, scholarships, or other assignments. Next, let's move on to the examples about this. Different from China, plagiarism is considered as cheating in America. Plagiarism is defined as using another person's work or ideas as your own. Different from China, this can be seen in using word-for-word copies of someone else's work and not giving credit to them. It can also be seen in using work from another class without citation. Next, let's move on to the consequences of cheating. The consequences of cheating would be harmful to students' educational experience. According to What Should American Universities Do About Cheating, Zhe Wang 2018 said students will receive a formal letter of reprimand but put under probation, get suspended, or even be dismissed at the end. Next, let's move on to the consequences between China and America. Comparing what we have mentioned above, we can safely draw the conclusion of the differences in cheating between China and America. Both countries are strict about cheating in exams. Chinese are not particularly strict about plagiarism, while Americans are. Citation is not required in Chinese writing, while in America, every quotation requires citation, and the students should try their best to avoid using others' words directly. Next, let's move on to how to avoid plagiarism. Emily Litzman gave us 3 ways to solve the copying problems. First, using citation system. You need to find out which format you are required to use. Refer to the citation manual to cite sources accurately. Second, seeking help from professors if necessary. If you find it hard to understand the citation system, you can always talk to your professors to learn more about it before submitting your work. Third, creating original content. It is always encouraged to think critically and come up with your original ideas. Thank you.